like the wine tastings, new to me, I know the food so good as expected. The explanations of Anna was energetic and clear. I have some hiccup locating her at assembly point but finally okay. Natalia was a very good host. We went to 5 different places. We were full and tipsy at the end. More than enough food and alcohol. Good amount of food for the price. An amazing guide, Pedro, is knowledgeable about the city. Must-do tour when we are in Lisbon. Leslie was a great knowledgeable tour guide. It was authentic, well-organized and interesting tour. Highly recommend. This was an incredible experience. 10/10. Our guide Franco was amazing, you cannot get a better host. He was funny, knowledgeable, and thoughtful. Our guide John was absolutely perfect person to guide us. He is quite friendly, sharing knowledge and pay attention for every one of us. We could enjoy 6 types of wine with some foods. Really worth it. Fun and easygoing. I really enjoyed the food and the many glasses of wine. William was fantastic, he shared lots of interesting stories and useful information. Martin was an amazing energetic guide. He took us around and ensured we were well taken care of. The food selection have been delicious and tasty. Consider this in your itinerary. Philippe was an excellent guide for the Lisbon food and wine walking tour. The places visited were well curated with very informative narratives provided by Philippe. Value for money activity and a must-do while in Lisbon. Pedro, our guide, was amazing. He explained about each dish and the history of Portugal. We had a variety of different foods and wines. I always try to do a tour like this when I am traveling, and this by far was one of the better ones. Our tour guide was Philippe. He is friendly and knowledgeable. We had tapas and wine at the last stop, with a room for the tour group. So, we could stay longer and had a great chat about history apart from the food and wine. This is definitely a good tour to get to know the traditional, representative cafes, tapas, wine and cheese, etc. It's also a great way to meet fellow travelers and have interesting chats. Great tour by a knowledgeable and personable guide, Sophia. She's friendly and gives lots of insider tips and recommendations upon request. Enjoyable to walk with the local guide. Food and wine is always a good approach to know more about Lisbon. It was great. Friendly guide that knew and explained things well.